quality of information, and then there is the second part, which is the dissemination of information. For quality of information, there is a lot of tools and equipment required, starting from IoT, satellites, radars, and different government organizations and private sector organizations have got these capabilities that could improve the information. For instance, NDMA has certain numerical weather forecasting models. PMD has got others. We have got others. And we've tried this with both the organizations. And if we use 7 to 10 models and combine the resources of the 3 organizations, the quality of information would improve. We've picked up certain disasters, storms, events, and floods that others have missed. They have picked certain events that we were not able to pick and they were able to pick. So there is a lot of capability in all these 3 organizations, but they're siloed. So this capability they need to communicate more. That will improve the quality of information. The other part is we're the largest network of weather stations in the country, and all done in 3 years, just 3 years, 300 weather stations all around Pakistan. That needs to be leveraged as well. PMD radars need to be leveraged as well. So the better integrated decision support system we have, the better quality, more reliable information is what we will have at hand. And then the second part is disseminating reliable information we could all rely on. In that particular, so I would say PTA worked really well. So all those weather stations, we require type approvals and licenses. PTA Director Ikramullah Saab, most professional guy, helped us out. I've never worked in Pakistan before this gig, so they were able to take us through, and I was surprised by the PTA Director Ikramullah Saab, who made the process very simple for us. We were the first ones to get the IoT license and LoRaWAN license for Pakistan. LoRaWAN is really important. I can give you details where the telecom infrastructure fails us or is not available. We can use LoRaWAN technology for at least gathering the information, and I can give you many examples. The other part which has worked is, especially I would say, not speak from a perspective of Bakhabar Kisan, but only speak from a perspective of WeatherWalay. We are 2 organizations working together and partnered on, thanks to the GSMA Innovation Fund, we are the alumni for one of the funds, and we built some amazing network and technology there. That worked really well, so the GSMA should be proud of that. But the other part is Jazz and Ufone. Ufone were the first ones to accept us. We have done advisories from a perspective of dengue. Dengue advisories were done, and we think we were able to reduce dengue outbreaks. So morning temperature this way, and then evening outbreak is going to be very extensive. So cover yourselves, apply mosquito repellents. So impact-based, actionable advisories for farmers and others alike. We get 5 million phone calls a month. 5 million phone calls a month is what we get. 70% of these people are farmers and they ask for weather information. We can pick local disasters. For instance, rain accumulation in E11 is X, Y, and Z. We know that the low-lying areas are going to be flooded, and we can only send notification. We only send notifications, automatic notifications, leveraging telecom technology for Ufone and Jazz users who live in there. NDMA and PMD. So we are now partners with them officially, but we need to fuel this partnership more, and we need to work on it and start working collaboratively rather than in silos. And the private sector and public sector, as per the WMO guidelines and the World Bank guidelines, the both private sector and public sector entities need to be on the same page, work together towards this cause. Thank you so much.